Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to translate using Google Docs. Here are some steps to translate text using Google Docs on your mobile device. First, open the Google Docs app. Launch the Google Docs app on your mobile device. Make sure to sign in with your Google account if needed. Open the document you want to translate. Tap the document from your list or open it from Google Drive. So I'll tap on the entitled document. Select the text to translate. Tap and hold the text, then drag to highlight the section you want to translate to. Tap the three dots on the toolbar. This opens extra options for the selected text. Tap Copy. Copy the highlighted text to your clipboard by tapping on Copy. Open the Google Translate app. Launch the Google Translate. Install from the Google Play Store if you don't have it. Paste the text. Tap the text input box, then tap and hold to paste the copied text. Read or share the translated text. Choose your target language and read the translation, or tap Copy to use it elsewhere. Now, you've successfully translated content from Google Docs using your mobile device. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.